Good job on the powder coating there. Keep in mind, this saw is almost 16-year-old chainsaw. Now, a couple questions about the saw. So you got two
Side by side,
side by side. Do they run simultaneously or do they run opposite?
180 off.
They're 180 degrees off from one another to keep the balance.
So the
How
Echo
smooth
twin is
it in the
opposing,
cut?
and this one's side by side.
Okay, so the Echo's opposing, these are side by side. Is it the same carburetor for both, or is there two carbs in there?
It's a single car.
One carb feeds both.
Make sure you guys get a shot of the
Now
air
we'll get a better
filter.
look at it. So
never
you got
gets
dual
changed.
plugs, but one carb feeds both cylinders.
And you cannot buy parts for these in the States.
Yeah.
Are the exhaust independent? Or do they pipe
It's
into
one
the same-
muffler.
Okay,
It's two.
dual output muffler there.
The cylinders are one piece.
It's a one-piece cylinder, so they're not connected. It's actually cast as one with fins between them.
Is it original paint? A stack of little
Yeah, and
plates.
you clean the filter by twisting this. It's just discs of metal.
And it just grinds up
Spin it
whatever's
again.
in there and it falls out.
How does air get
In between the slack.
little bit of room in between the slats?
Yeah, it's a,
But she's brand new,
Independently for both,
top
or
to
does it
bottom.
spark at the same time?
wow, that's amazing. 16-year-old saw.
Yeah.
I think it's ding, ding, ding.
Now, what bar and chain do we run here? Is that
That's the original bar. And
original bar?
Just,
404 hard nose.
I think it's 404.
Semi-chisel 404, it looks like.
So the whole thing's powder coated red.
Okay.
Then I sand this bare.
Okay, so
take
original
this-
cover, but you powder coated the outside.
The whole
and kept
saw's
that
been
original.
powder coated.
Okay.
So then I sand this bare, paint it all black, and then sand that bare again.
Now, if I were to go try to buy this on eBay, if one ever came up, what are we looking at price tag wise?
I'm glad you asked. I have another one at home that's a 100cc version that I'll be selling.
So how
So we're
much?
gonna find out.
$3
What are we
grand?
looking at price wise?
$3,000 maybe?
$3,000, 3,000 bucks.
I sold
This is
mine
one of the rare.
I really don't know.
for
that you
1600.
find
There's no
in North
comparables.
America.
And it was just
How's
parts.
the ignition time on these? Is it independent or is it spark at the same
It's
time for both?
two separate coils.
Okay.
So it has two
Condensers,
pickup
points.
oils.
You know what the production numbers were?
I have that information at home. I don't have the tag on it.
How many were produced?
That I don't know.
Not many. I can tell you that.
Okay, we're all done.
Right.
So
Thank you guys.
That is awesome.
So we keep the schedule here, but thanks for
Really
joining
good.
us.
Start for the business.